Chapter 3. Sense Organs. Get set. Complete the list. 1. I like to see. 2. I like the smell of. 3. I like the taste of. 4. I like to listen to. We all connect ourselves with the world by our different sense organs or sensory organs. Any change in our surroundings affects us directly or indirectly. We feel these changes through these special organs or sense organs. The 5 sense organs in our body that connect us with the outside world are: eyes organ of sight, skin organ of touch, nose organ of smell, ears organ of hearing, tongue organ of taste, eyes an organ of sight. The eyes help us to see the outside world. So, these are called the organs of sight. We are able to act upon things easily because we can see with our eyes. Can you do all the things with your eyes experimentally shut for a while? What difficulties do you feel in doing different things with your closed eyes? Visually challenged people. Differently abled people are those people whose sense organs do not work properly. People who cannot see are called visually challenged people. This drawback is compensated to a certain extent by their well-developed sense of touch. They do all their work with the help of sense of touch. They even read with the help of touch. There is a special system of codes in which the letters of the alphabet are printed in raised dots. This system of raised dots is known as Braille. It was developed by Louis Braille in 1824. Braille lost his sight when he was very young. But he wanted to read and write. He worked for several years and developed this system. Visually challenged people read the book printed in Braille by moving their fingers on the raised dots. They decode it with the help of their brain. Thus, it can be said, visually challenged people are able to see with the help of their fingertips. We should always be ready to help differently abled people. How can you help a visually challenged person? Helen Keller. Helen Keller was also a differently abled person. She was the first deaf and blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. In spite of her shortcomings, she became a famous author and a very popular teacher because of her efforts, proper guidance, and equal opportunities. Skin, an organ of touch or physical contact. Our body is covered with a layer of skin. It protects our internal organs from outside environment and helps to feel the touch and other sensations. There are millions of nerve endings attached to the skin. These help us to feel heat, pain, pressure, cold, touch, etc. Our fingertips are very sensitive to touch. It is because a large number of nerve endings are present on the fingertips. When our fingertips are touched with something, a number of nerves present awaken and we react with reflex. These nerve endings send the message of touch to our brain through the nerves present deep within our skin. The brain recognizes the message and orders to do with the things touched with fingertips. This is how we feel a good or a bad touch. Nose, an organ of smell, olfactory. Our nose is the organ of smell. It makes us feel the smell of different things around us. We can easily distinguish between a good smell and a bad smell. An olfactory nerve arises from this organ and connects it with the brain. When tiny particles of something reach the olfactory organ, they cause sensation in the nerve cells. These sensations are carried to the brain and these are here interpreted as smell. This is how we feel different smells. What kind of smell do you feel when your mother cooks your favorite food? Are you able to recognize the food with the help of its smell? Ears, organs of hearing. The ears are the organs of hearing. They also help us to keep our balance. An ear has 3 main parts: external ear, middle ear, and internal ear. The external ear receives sounds and carries them to the middle ear through the auditory canal. The middle ear has an eardrum which sends sound signals to the cochlea of the internal ear. From the cochlea, sound signals are carried through the auditory nerve to the brain. Rashmi, ma'am, do all animals have ears? Teacher, yes, all the animals have ears, but we cannot see the ears of some animals, such as frogs, snakes, birds, tortoises, etc. Some animals like cow, buffalo, rabbit, goat, etc. have long ears. Elephant has very large and fan-shaped ears. Birds and snakes have very small opaque holes that act as ears. Frogs, fishes, tortoises, turtles, etc. have internal ears. Elephant, cow, buffalo, goat, sparrow. Tongue organ of taste. Our tongue helps us to recognize the taste of different things. It also helps to speak. We will know more about the tongue in further. Summary. The 5 sense organs in our body connect us to the outside world. People who cannot see at all are called visually challenged. Visually challenged people have a good sense of touch. Braille, raised dots system, was developed by Louis Braille. We are connected to the world by our senses. The 5 sense organs do different work. The sense organs are eyes, skin, nose, ears and tongue. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Our organ of sight is A. Eyes, B. Nose, C. Tongue. 2. The visually challenged people can read books written in the A. Roman script, B. Devanagari script, C. Braille script. 3. Olfactory nerves help too. A. Touch, B. Smell, C. Taste. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. There are 5 in our body. 2. Are the organs of sight. 3. Is the organ of hearing. 4. A person cannot see. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. We are connected to the world by our different senses. 2. The eyes do not help to see the outside world. 3. We have 5 sense organs. 4. Visually challenged persons cannot see. D. Answer the following questions. 1. How we are connected with the outside world? 2. Write briefly the functions of 5 organs. 3. How can a visually challenged person read? 4. How can you help the visually challenged persons? Activity. 1. Time for some role play. Take turns to act as various sense organs and talk about their importance. You can visit the link kidshealth.org kidtalk_blind.html. Tracking is equal to K. Related article for some interesting information. 2. Paralympic Games is an international multi-sport event held for the differently abled people. These games are held immediately after the regular Olympic Games. H.N. Grisha, from India, who has a disability in a leg, won the silver medal in high jump at the 2012 London Paralympics. Visit paralympic.org the IPC to find answers to the following questions. 1. What is the full form of IPC? 2. List the names of 10 sports that are a part of the Paralympics. 3. Differently abled people who cannot walk use a wheelchair to move around. What is required to make the movement of wheelchairs easy? Do you think all public places such as hospitals, marketplaces, offices and schools should have that facility? Life skill. Follow these rules to keep your eyes, ears and nose healthy. Wash your eyes with cold water 2 to 3 times a day. Do not watch too much TV. Clean your ears with a soft cloth or towel. Do not poke anything in your eyes or nose.